This free website turns a single image into a fully animated AI video, and it's surprisingly good. You don't need editing skills, paid apps, or any software at all. Just upload, describe, and generate. You can find the link to try it out in the video description. The tool is from Tencent, and it's called Hunyuan Custom AI Video Generator. It's part of their Model Square platform, where you can try next-gen AI models completely free. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to create your own animated AI video from just a photo, with a full live demo. Let's start with step 1. Go to the website. Once the site loads, you'll land on the model called Reference Video Single Subject. If the page is in Chinese, right-click anywhere and select Translate to English in Chrome. Step 2. Understand the interface. On the left side, you'll see a few important tools. The prompt box, where you'll describe the animation. The negative prompt, to avoid errors and weird results. An image upload area, just drag and drop your photo. You can also select an aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical videos. There's a sound effects toggle and a prompt enhancement switch. Keep that on Closure for better output. Step 3. Upload your image. Now let's try a live demo. For this example, I'm uploading an image of a girl who appears to be crying. It's a powerful moment, and we want the AI to animate it realistically, without distorting her expression. Step 4. Add your prompts. Here's the positive prompt I'm using. The girl slowly blinks. Tears gently roll down her face. The wind moves her hair slightly. The scene is soft, cinematic, and emotional. Now for the negative prompt. No glitching, no distorted eyes or hands, no cartoon style, no blurry face, no static background. These two prompts help the AI understand what to create and what to avoid. Step 5. Generate your video. Now click the button that says Generate Now. The AI will take about 1 to 2 minutes to create your animated video. So give it a little time to work its magic. Let's take a look at the result. You can actually see her blink. The tear gently falls. There's even movement in her hair, and the whole thing looks cinematic. All of this came from just one image. Pretty incredible, right? Step 6. Save your video. To download, just right-click the video and choose Save Video As. If that doesn't work, you can screen record it. Logged-in Tencent Cloud users might also get better export options. Step 7. Pro tips to improve your results. Use high-resolution photos. Add clear actions to your prompt, like smile, wave, or look left. Mention the style you want, like anime, cinematic, or digital painting. And try different characters. Even cosplay photos work great. By the way, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me make more free content like this here on Tech Drop. Step 8. Final thoughts. That's how you can create your own AI-powered animated video using Tencent Hunyuan for free. The link is in the description, so go try it out and tag me if you share your results. This is Tech Drop, where we explore the future of creative AI. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Stay curious, stay creating.